Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm building a gaming set, and a huge shout out to us, Willey, for sponsoring this video. They brought me some gaming stuff for me to build. So, and this, I'm stuck though. So this, because this is my first time building my own gaming set. Yeah, so stay tuned. So this is the Battle Station gaming desk. Yeah, 44-inch. So that's what we are going to use. I decided to go with something minimal. So, because I don't have enough space here, so minimal is good. Okay, so this right here is the beast. This is what we are using for the gaming setup. Okay, finally the gaming setup is done, and trust me, I love the setup so far. I was able to fit everything here in my office, And trust me, I mean, with time, I'll give you guys a studio tour. And because I'll be tearing this setup and this studio down in a few weeks, so I'll give you guys a studio tour or an office tour where I have my 3D printer, my productivity setup, and then now my gaming setup. Okay, so most of you be wondering where I got all those products from. I got this product from Willey, and I bet most of you think that they are all about gaming. I mean, not even gaming, they are all about home appliances and furnitures. I bet you didn't know that they have gaming products, right? Yeah, they really do have gaming product. They have everything you need to build your own gaming setup. I got my PS5 Pro from there. I got my Samsung Odyssey G9 from there. I even got my gaming decks from there. And I got this chair, the gaming chair, from there. They have so much more that you can explore to build your, whether it's an office setup or looking to build your gaming setup. So please go check them out, and I'm going to leave a link to everything, every product I got from them in the description below. Willey is everywhere in the US, I believe. Yeah, because in my neighborhood, I'm just like 10-15 minutes drive away from them. So yeah, when I thought about building my gaming setup, I mean, I reached out to them and they reached back and they were like, oh, we can send you product from there. And I was surprised because I never knew that Willey has gaming product. So yeah, please enjoy my YouTube channel and my gaming setup. You see all the unboxing and everything, and I skipped the boring part to the fun part. So enjoy and subscribe, and let's keep growing this family together. Thank you.